Got some no-bake cookies. Easy. First, you start off, and this is a double recipe. So, 2 sticks of butter melted with 4 cups of sugar, and you just mix that in really good. Add in about 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, in addition to 1 cup of milk. And I use a little bit of almond milk. I think it's okay. They turned out just fine. Then, when you bring that up to a boil for about a minute, once it gets, it boils for a minute, then that's when you turn off the heat and add in a cup of peanut butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then you stir in the oats. 6 cup of oats is what you stir in until it starts to get thick. This is when you have to move really quick. As soon as it thickens up a little bit, then you get it onto that sheet pan with parchment paper or foil. Makes for easy cleanup. Then as soon as they cool off, you can throw them in the fridge, throw them in a Ziploc bag, and that's it. Easy.